Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we present the Universal Milling Machine UWF 1.2. The heavy machine frame with a console design is made of high-quality grey cast iron using modern techniques for casting and machining. The large rectangular guideways are precision ground and surface hardened, which means that they remain precise over the long term and are insensitive to tough everyday manufacturing. The milling table has a large clamping surface, long travels, and can also be swiveled lengthways. The main spindle is driven by a powerful motor with a multi-step gearbox. All gears and shafts are hardened, ground and run in a closed oil bath. The universal milling head can be swiveled in two planes, making the transition between vertical to horizontal machining very simple. A counter holder can be mounted on the milling head to accommodate long milling arbors. In addition, almost any spatial angle can be set by combining the two swivel planes. A powerful servo motor ensures the infinitely variable feed drive in all axes, the power of which is directed to the required axis via a gearbox. Rapid traverses in all axes also save valuable processing time by quickly positioning the work table. The position indicator is integrated directly in the swiveling control panel and is the new generation of our X-Post series. Speed, good readability and user-friendly are among the great advantages and lead to a reduction in error rate and greater production reliability. The UWF 1.2 offers universal machining solutions for many milling applications and is ideal for one-off productions, repair workshops and training departments. Here at KNUTH, we offer a variety of powerful milling machines and extensive accessories. Why not contact us today to find the best solution for your business?